Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss section 15 to section 17 of LLP Act 2008. Let us start the discussion. First we will discuss section 15 about LLP Act 2008. सेक्शन 15 ये बताता है कि हर एक LLP को अपने नेम के पीछे लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप वर्ड या फिर LLP वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा. सपोज नेम ऑफ द LLP इज ABC Cosmetic, then the name of the LLP as per section 15 will be ABC Cosmetic LLP or ABC Cosmetic Limited Liability Partnership. So every LLP shall have either limited liability partnership or LLP as the last word of its name. So हर एक LLP को अपने नेम के पीछे लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप और LLP वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द प्री कंडीशन एट पर सेक्शन 15 ऑफ द LLP एक्ट 2008. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सेक्शन 15 सबसेक्शन 2. सबसेक्शन 2 about LLP Act 2008, which deals with the condition that certain name cannot be taken under the LLP Act 2008 via incorporation or via change of the LLP name. So LLP shall not be registered with the name if the central government is of the opinion that the name is undesirable. So if the name is undesirable and the central government has so opinion, then LLP shall not be registered with such name. Further, if the central government is having opinion that the name of such LLP which are going to be incorporated it is identical or too nearly resemble to that of another partnership firm or a LLP or a body corporate or a registered trademark or a trademark which is a subject matter of application registration of the other person under the Trademark Act 1999. So the name of the LLP shall not be the name which is undesirable or which is identical or too nearly resemble of other partnership firm or other LLP or a body corporate or any other registered trademark or any other application for a trademark which is pending for a approval. So such name cannot be taken via LLP incorporation. Section 16. Section 16 deals with the reservation of name. So under the LLP Act, you can reserve the name of the LLP via filing the prescribed form. Right now there is a run form is available on the ROC site. You can file such run form and you can reserve the name of your LLP. So while filing the run form, you can reserve the name of your LLP. So the person may apply to the registrar for a reservation of a name as set out in the application in the prescribed form along with the prescribed fee. So the application shall contain the name of the proposed LLP or the name of the existing LLP which is the LLP is going to change. So the application shall contain the name of the proposed LLP or the change of name, that is a new name, and upon receipt of such application with prescribed form and in the prescribed manner with the prescribed fee, the registrar may, if satisfied, then the name shall be reserved for the period of 3 months from the date of intimation by registrar. So such name shall be reserved for a period of 3 months from the date of intimation by registrar. However, there may be a condition that it shall be subject to section 15 subsection 2. So what the section 15 subsection 2 tells about? Section 15 subsection 2 tells that the name shall not be undesirable. The name which are going to get reservation for a LLP name, such name should not be undesirable or such name should not be identical or too nearly resemble to any other partnership firm, LLP or a body corporate or a registered trademark or any other trademark application which is pending under the Trademark Act 1999. So in this way you can go for a reservation of a name under LLP Act 2008. Next, section 17, that is a change of the name of LLP. Notwithstanding anything contained in the section 15 and section 16. This both section deals with the name of the LLP. Section 15 deals with the name of the LLP and section 16 deals with the reservation of the name of the LLP. So section 17 is the superior over section 15 and 16 because it will start with the wording notwithstanding anything contained in section 15 and 16. If the central government is satisfied that LLP is registered under a name which is as per section 15 subsection 2. So what is section 15 subsection 2 says? That it is undesirable name or it is identical or too nearly resemble with the name of any other LLP or a body corporate etc. Then the central government may direct such LLP to change its name. An LLP must have to comply within a 3 months from the date of direction given by the central government or a such longer period as the central government may have allowed to such LLP. What about if LLP is not complying with the requirement of a section 17? If LLP fails to comply with the requirement of section 17, then it shall be punishable with the fine which is not less than 10,000 but it may extend to rupees 5 lakh. Can a designated partner be a responsible or be punishable under section 17 if non-compliance is happen? Yes. The designated partner of the LLP shall be punishable with a fine which shall not exceed 10,000 but may extend to 1 lakh. Here you have to remember that both LLP as well as the designated partner have a minimum penalty is 10,000. But in the case of LLP, maximum penalty is 5 lakh. However, in the case of a designated partner, maximum penalty is 1 lakh. So this is the discussion of section 15 to section 17 of the LLP Act 2008. Section 15 specifically deals with the name of the LLP, that the name shall not be undesirable or identical to any other LLP or a body corporate etc. or it shall not be too nearly resemble to any other LLP or a body corporate etc. Further, the name shall have the last wording as a LLP or a limited liability partnership. Section 16 tells about that you can go for a reservation of name via filing the prescribed form along with the prescribed fee, and upon approval of such name, your name will be reserved up to 3 months from the date of intimation by the registered. Section 17 is the superior over section 15 and 16. Under section 17, the central government has a power that if it is satisfied that the name of the LLP under which it is incorporated is undesirable or it is identical or too nearly resemble to any other LLP or a body corporate, then the central government may direct the LLP to change such name, and the LLP must have to comply within 3 months or a such longer period as the central government may have allowed. If the LLP fails to comply with the requirement or order given by under section 17 of the LLP Act 2008, then it shall be punishable with the minimum fine of 10,000 or it may extend to 5 lakh. Designated partner shall also punishable which may not be less than rupees 10,000 but it may extend to 1 lakh. So this is the discussion of section 15 to section 17. In the next video we will discuss another features about LLP Act 2008. Thank you.